Didn't believe in me, I had to believe in myself. Shit not gon' fall in your hands, you gotta go get it yourself. They didn't believe in me, I had to stay on my grind.
Man, what's good YouTube, your boy Tay here, and I'm back with another video. Today, I'm here with
Milky J.
Frosty Key. Boy, life of tagging, man.
Man, my boy. Yeah, we finna go on this little hike, you know what I'm saying? Go subscribe to all that channel. They links finna be in the description. And we finna go on this little hike. We see when we get started. No, you gonna hear a rattlesnake when it rattle.
Man, you gonna hear it.
That's a sign out here for rattlesnakes.
Yesterday, which is that.
We're gonna do Black Oak. And the lizard just ran past and we did not get it.
Man. Alright guys, checking this right here. I hit that one on the day right there. I'm gonna double back for the double back so you guys today.
Oh, there's one right here.
I heard that. You heard that too, right?
It ran though.
We're gonna have like a 10-minute hike. It's called fake incline. I'm gonna double back as soon as I get a phone call. But until then, I want a lizard hunt. Oh man, I've been seeing all these lizards.
Man, bro. Feel like we in Louisiana or something.
Man, if it's blue belly, I'm jumping down. I'm trying to snatch one up.
Ooh, something flew in my face.
Bug.
Shit, turn to Chris Stork.
Looking scary, y'all. Chill, boy.
Man, I can't wait to go camping.
I ain't gonna lie, but I ain't gonna lie, if we had a drone right now, them angles would be crazy right now. Or a 360 camera.
Hell yeah. But that camping at Fort Ross was crazy, boy.
You can camp on
Man, there's something over there that sound a little bit of suspect.
Bro.
I'm peed on myself.
Yeah.
Oh
Boy,
shit.
That ain't cool.
I heard it, y'all. Bro, I was like,
I stumbled. See, I said.
Man,
I saw it. Bro, it was like,
man, it's a nice day out though.
bro, let me back up. Let me get in the middle.
Where the fuck I'm going? I don't know if I just almost had a rattlesnake encounter or not. I almost got struck, guys. Nope. Yeah, close. Heard that baby rattle go off.
down below.
Yeah.
Tell me what y'all think it is.
I don't know what it is, y'all. Y'all gotta tell me.
What animal track is this?
Yeah, it's horse.
That's a shoe. Man, I ain't gonna lie. Nature is beautiful when you enjoy it. When it ain't attacking you or nothing, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
And the allergies ain't attacking me.
Yeah, boy, it's got that one. Hey, look, it's throwing it down. Boy.
On camera.
Where's that? Where's that?
It's right there. Nah, bro, please don't scare, bro.
Okay.
Cause you know you ugly.
You guys can see it on my camera.
I can see it.
What is it?
I'm the only one that can't see it.
See what is it, guys?
Somewhere over here. Oh, I think I see it. Oh, yeah, I see it.
That's a lizard.
Well, now I gotta put it in slow-mo. I have one of those. Yeah, blueberry. I said blueberry. 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 Blue belly lizard.
Or blueberry lizard. Blueberry lizard.
I like blueberry.
I'm standing in the middle. I'm standing in the middle. I ain't over here. Over here ain't cool.
They said you give me when I have one.
Yeah.
Oh, this is first ivy right here. Danger! 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 Danger!
Everything.
Go ahead, though.
Little creek down there, you might get this outlet.
The lizard right here! Bro, I never knew that. I got that one lizard.
Man, I had a fat lizard. What the hell?
You heard that too, right?
What?
Something moved over there.
Man, if you hear a big sound, oh no, I'm gonna have to start.
Are you get scared, folks?
Bro, cuz it still ran in there. Where the lizard go? He was sick.
Bro, you can't be that blind, bro.
Oh. Where I
Big boulder head.
Oh, I do. Oh yeah.
Jalon, pick up your son.
You know, I'm not gonna lie.
Bro, you stop filming.
This whole time because they like to be in the.
You gonna see one, but you gotta catch a snake like in the day, early morning.
I don't want to see no snake at
So
all.
last time I hiked was in Costa Rica.
I ain't gonna lie, we ain't in Africa. We ain't got no spear.
As long as ain't no rattlesnake, I ain't tripping.
Get it in.
My legs hurt.
Nobody call.
How your legs feeling, brother?
Ooh,
How
I
your
do.
legs feeling?
I walk every day.
Oh, so this ain't nothing. Then let me catch up to the top of the pack then. Run them legs. Girl, come on. Come on.
Update. Yeah, serious. Yeah. Hey, Tiger. Yeah. Serious. Serious right now. Everything.
We out here in this Blair Witch Projects, man.
You know what I'm saying?
That's the truck we taking. That's the one
Frosty
we getting
TV, man.
How we gonna get on that?
What you mean?
No, it's a trail right there. How we? Oh, it's covered right here.
on. We better come on. The Sasquatch comes.
Sasquatch. What is that?
Bigfoot.
Oh.
What?
I forgot what Sasquatch. I thought they called him. I didn't know they called him Sasquatch.
Ooh.
What's the spider down here probably?
Bro, I can't be down here behind this stuff.
Hey!
Yeah.
Hey, it's lit, man. It's very enjoyable. And look at this right here.
taking a big time.
Hey, look, banana slugs, bro. Yeah, banana slugs.
Oh, it's a slug, yeah.
We walked right past that. I ain't seen one of them in about 5 years.
Ooh.
I've seen one in years. We record his ugly ass.
What thing? Ugly, ugly.
Jesse, what you doing on the ground, boy?
That thing moves so slow, y'all.
Just like Jesse.
I thought they shoot poison.
Oh, they do?
Nah.
Awesome. Say,
Stop playing with me.
I ain't learned that one. Hey, look at this. Hard work, dedication. I'm sweating for y'all so y'all get some good content. But look at this.
Look at this. I'm going straight. You just yeet. You going to this? That's another big tear over there. Yeah, I don't know where we're going, but it's fun. Whew.
Hey, man. Say, man.
Y'all look at this, bro.
Yeah. Fat losing this. But hey. Sweating for y'all. Sweating for y'all. Another update. Made it to the top of this little, you know what I'm saying? My boy Bag Life. My bad for the heavy breathing. I sound like Jesse right now. Hey. Guess I'm gonna start bringing down my funny side. Yes, sir. Boy look like a rat roach off of Fallout. This black doom beetle.
Stop playing.
He's an uncaged beetle.
Don't touch me.
Oh. I ain't touching nothing.
You is an uncaged beetle.
They're sketchy riding the bike down there. I don't know how you gonna stop, but you gonna have to stop.
Shit.
When the water called out. I mean, like, when did the water fall down?
Destination approaching on your left. You have now arrived at your destination. This bench.
We halfway here.
Bro, where the dam at? I want to see the dam.
Ah!
So now we gotta walk all the
Cow shit. I ain't taking that.
Jake.
And Jalon, bro, that's your son.
Dad.
Jalon, look at your dad.
That's not my bro. Stop playing. You know who my dad
That
is.
shit hella big.
This Peely just gave you a bad luck. But lucky for you,
Hey, Jalon.
like on the video and subscribe
Hey,
to the channel.
if that beetle bites you, you ain't gonna turn into Spider-Man. You gonna turn into Beetle Man.
Wait, Beetlejuice.
In that danger zone, we all alone, cause we black as hell. Hey.
Oh, I thought that was some white people at first.
Hey. Hello. We're in the danger zone.
It's cold. I should have brought my hoodie, but then I'd have been tripping. I was like, it's hot as fuck.
On everything. Amazon. But when I tell you I work in my hoodie all the time, it don't be hot.
Ooh, what you gonna tell me in there? Oh, you was on a bike. You said,
Bro, something gonna grab you.
It gotta be a snake in there.
Something gonna grab you and bite your ass off.
And that boy John like that too.
got my toes hurt.
Yeah, but my big toe hurt.
Well, I cut my toenails.
Yeah, my big turkey too.
I cut some toenails.
Now this sketchy.
Your head sketchy. A beetle. Oh, boy. Ooh, watch out.
It's a black
Move, Jalon, go, move. All right, care about to die. End of this. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Subscribe to all of them. You know, turn on them noties. This is my channel, dummy. You know what I'm saying? Go turn on the post noties. Subscribe to all the channels that's gonna be linked in the description, you know. And we on the grind, you know. Sub to the Frosty Crew. Get us to 200. Go share that. You know what I'm saying? Your boy Tay here, and I'm out. Peace.